Today I'm going to show you how to get this fun party ponytail. You're not gonna be able to help yourself flipping your hair back and forth, whipping your head. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Welcome to the Sloane Series. Take a second, make sure that you're subscribed to us on YouTube. Seriously, I can't stop bopping my head around. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this today. Okay, so I have added a couple clip-ins to give my hair some volume, and the only trick I have for that is to lay them upside down so that way they lay flat against my head. And I'm going to start with a straightener because I want my hairline to lay flat and I want the volume to really remain in the body of the ponytail. So I'm gonna put my hair down. It's gonna look really wild for a second. I'm just going to separate it with my fingers and take out my hairline. I really like wearing my hair up anytime I go out because I feel like it ends up getting put up anyway, so you might as well start with it up in a cute look rather than like a, you know, like, oh, can I borrow? Does anyone have a ponytail holder? Okay, I'll give this back to you later. Look. No, it's gonna end up that way. I use my straightener going away from my hairline to make sure that it lays flat. And I'm just really smoothing it out because I want the volume to be really in the meat of the ponytail. I want everywhere else to look really smooth. I want it to look like the ponytail has purpose, not just like I threw my hair up, if that makes sense, but I still don't want to spend too much time on this look. I want it to be easy, something that you guys can recreate at home. Not a lot of time. And once I put it up, it's gonna stay up. I'm not redoing my ponytail at any point in the night. Great, okay. So now that I've taken all the crimps out, I'm going to go through with a wide tooth comb. I love this one. It's from Wen, and it has a fine tooth comb area on this end, and it just goes through my hair really nice without causing any breakage. And I shed so much. It's like, if I got up from this couch, you would think there was a golden retriever sitting on here. You can hold your ponytail in the mirror and just center it. Make sure that it's going to lay flat and you don't have to re-straighten any of the areas because once it goes up, you don't want to have to put it back down again because we're going to go in with a curling iron. My ponytail holder just exploded and popped off my wrist. This has happened to a million people watching. It's okay. It's okay. I have a backup ponytail holder. I really want this to look very, very smooth and pull back. So I'm going to go through with some dry oil and just rub it through my hands. I know that a lot of you are probably thinking, won't that make my hair look greasy? I'm gonna use the smallest amount, and also that's why I really encourage you to use this on second, third day, not fresh hair, and your ponytail will stay a lot better with a little bit of grit to it. So I like to do a couple sprays, and this is the Wen dry oil, and it's so nice. I use this on my body too, right fresh out of the shower, and put it through my hands. And any of those areas, any flyaways, I'll just pat them down. Divide my hair into sections using my fingers. So I'm going to take the curls and do each one in a different direction. And then for my next piece of hair, for my next trick, towards. And that first curl, I left the ends in. This one, I'm leaving the ends out a little bit, but I'll still twist them around the barrel so they have the same consistency. Nice. And just switch off every other. So this one I'm going to do away from my face. It's nice too, because you're not doing your whole head, you're just doing the body of the ponytail for this look. So it's a lot less work. Now, if you want your ponytail to look a bit more bohemian, you can curl your whole head and you'll have a really nice wave going along your hairline, but since I wanted it to look a little more tight against my head, I kept it straight there. I love mixing up the curl pattern because it looks really cute when you brush it out. Give your curls a second to cool down. Don't touch them right away. Let themselves really cool off before you play with them too much. Comb through them, use any products because that's how they're going to last all night. I like to really push it out around this area to give it a lot of volume. And then I'll go back in with my curling iron, and any areas that need another go around, I'll just give it a really quick wrap. What I really like about this texturizing spray is you can use it on your hair no matter if it's dry, wet, damp. So I always like to take this one around with me. It's my go-to. So I find like a lot of them can make your hair really crunchy and can give you that look and feel of like, ugh, but this doesn't have that effect. So I'm gonna go through and just very lightly give it a spray and then play with it a little more. You can't be afraid to mess your hair up when you're doing it. It's so funny because then once you leave the house, you're like, don't touch my hair. But when you're doing your hair, you're just like. I also feel like this is a good look because it's not like you're trying too hard. It's like, oh, my hair's in a ponytail. What are you talking about? I didn't know you would be here tonight. You know, you can play it really cool because your hair is up, like you don't care, but you still have a really cute look going on. So think about it. Be smart before you go out. I'm helping you. This is the final ponytail. Very easy to do. I like to keep the looks kind of separated, so to have it straight, pulled back, tight, snatched in the front, and then fun party look in the back. I hope that you guys recreate this at home, and if you do, you should use the hashtag the Sloane Series. You can always say hi to me on Instagram. I can't wait to see you guys next Wednesday. Before then, if you want to say hi, make sure to check in with us on Beauty IQ.